Hello, JC.
Hello.
What are we playing today? Is that Fill the Fridge? That's a very nice game. Right, can you tell me the colors you go there? What color is that?
Blue.
Blue? Alright. What other colors you have?
Red.
Red? Green? Right, so we got a fridge here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open the door to see, yeah. So all the shapes needs to go inside the fridge while the fridge moves. And after it stops, if you don't do them in time, the fridge will take them out again. Is it? Okay, let's see how this works. Right, let's start. I think you got to wait. You must wait. You must wait now. Yeah. Just do it quick. Come on, pick up more. No, you have to wait now. You have to wait until it stops. Wait. Do it now. Quick. Find the shape. Let's start again, okay? Let's give one more try. You forgot to press. Quick. Oh no! God, it stopped! Do it! Bit more! Get more! Oh no! Come on! Do it! Oh, come on! Oh no! Oh, let's see how many you've managed to put inside the fridge. How many shapes? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5? You go 5 there. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, that was a nice game. Right, JC. Bye bye now.